This is the Ritz Hotel here in Madrid. It's a Mandarin Oriental hotel and it is spectacular. This is the Ritz Suite 609 here at the Ritz Madrid, a Mandarin Oriental hotel. And if you can imagine the magnificence of the Ritz building and then the management of Mandarin Oriental, it's pretty fabulous. But this suite has this incredible cupola, which is high ceiling, but the cupola and the steps and the beautiful furnishings and the exquisite details are only part of this. The view, you have two balconies on either side. One looks at the Prado Museum and the other looks at Madrid. And then you can see the gorgeous circle center here. And then you can this there's a sofa, there's wonderful welcoming, and this great little table for four. It's just a perfect suite. Here's my bedroom in this beautiful suite, and it's not huge, but it's actually very gracious. The huge king size bed, the gorgeous linens, the hammered leather headboard with brass details, a great desk with all the practicality of it, a big full-length mirror, and then you step in to the bathroom, which is so beautifully executed. And it's actually made of local stone, of dolomite, and has all the accoutrements of a fabulous hotel.